This video will show you how to unbox your prep tables, undercounters, and underbar equipment units. Here are the units that this video can be applied to. You will need a utility knife and a pair of gloves for added safety. And please wear gloves to prevent any injuries. When unboxing the unit, be sure to cut the straps away from you. Do not cut towards you, as this can lead to an injury. Once the straps are removed, hold and pull the box up so that it's completely off from the unit, then put it aside. Next, remove any foam and cardboard protection that is covering your unit. This concludes unboxing of prep tables and undercounter units. Thank you for watching.